What are you doing up there? Callie's on our garage door. Every time that she lays on the garage door, let me zoom it into her. That's your new hiding spot. But you know the garage door moves. Yeah, I know, the emergency release handle's upside down. I changed it.
Get off there.
Get off the garage door. She's okay. She's fine. She's fine.
Kallie.
Come on, Kallie. There you go, Kallie.
All right. Come on down.
Come on, all the way down. All the way down. All the way down. There you go.
Good job, Kallie.
Tell me when you're ready to close the garage door.
All right, let's close it up.
Shut her down. Just had a light in there. There's the bracket. The garage door. I want to use my remote in the car. She's off the garage door now.
Okay.
I'm gonna get something out of the Toyota. And then shut the garage door and come out the other way from the front door. She's back off. It will get her by the opener. Don't be scared. It's a garage opener.
Hey, are you going, bud? Are you going to the storage?
I am going to.
Okay, do you want to close it from the outside?
I'll close it from the inside and then come from the front door.
Okay. Okay, do it before she jumps up there, Quinn.
Hurry.
She doesn't get as scared as she's like, take what?
Take out the cat door insert.
Yep.
Yes.
Yes.
Daddy said take out of the cat door
Come on, Zozo.
before the other ones poop. Alrighty, I'm gonna shut the video down. So see you later, everyone, and I have to use my remote to close it. And see you later, everyone. Take care, everyone. Peace out.